Hello everyone! Welcome back to English with Altaf. In this video, we are going to learn how to train your brain to think in English. Many learners translate from their own language into English, and this makes speaking slow and difficult. Today, we will show you how to stop translating and start thinking directly in English.
Hello friends, this is a very important topic. When you train your brain to think in English, you can speak faster, with more confidence and without hesitation. We will share step-by-step methods, examples, and simple conversations to help you.
Let's start by understanding the problem. Many learners, when they want to speak, first think in their native language, then try to translate word by word, and then finally speak in English. This process takes too long and creates mistakes. For example, if I think in my language, मैं बाजार जा रही हूँ, and then try to translate, I may get confused. But if I already train my brain to think, I am going to the market, it comes naturally and quickly.
That is correct. Thinking in English is like building a new habit. At first it feels strange, but slowly your brain gets used to it. The key is practice. Now, how do we start? First, we start with simple sentences about daily life. For example, when you wake up, say in your mind, I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am eating breakfast. These short sentences train your brain to describe your actions in English.
Yes, and you don't need to speak loudly every time. You can think silently in your mind. When you're walking, you can think, I am walking to the bus stop. I see many people on the road. The sun is bright today. This way, your brain gets more comfortable in English.
Another important method is using questions. For example, ask yourself in English, what am I doing now? Then answer, I am reading a book. I am watching TV. I am cooking. Asking and answering in your mind is a powerful exercise.
Exactly. And another method is to describe what you see around you. For example, if you are in your room, look at the objects and say in your mind, this is my chair. That is my table. The fan is on. If you are outside, think, the road is busy. Children are playing. The shop is open. This daily practice changes your thinking process into English.
Let's also talk about listening. Listening is very important because the more English you hear, the more your brain starts to think in English naturally. For example, listen to short English podcasts, stories, or conversations. Then, after listening, try to repeat the same sentences in your mind. This way, your brain connects English sounds with English thoughts.
Yes, and reading is also helpful. When you read a short English story or article, don't translate it into your language. Try to understand the meaning in English. If the sentence says, the boy is running, just imagine the boy running in your mind. Don't translate it. This habit will help you think directly in English.
Now, let's practice with some examples. Annie, I will ask you questions and you answer in English without translating. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I ate bread and eggs. I also drank tea.
Very good. Now, tell me, what are you going to do after this video?
After this video, I am going to read a book and prepare lunch.
Perfect. This is exactly how you should train your brain. Don't think in your native language, just answer in simple English.
Yes. And another tip is to think in small pieces. Don't try to make very long sentences at first. Just say short, clear sentences. For example, I am tired. I am hungry. The weather is nice. Later, when you are confident, you can make longer sentences like, I am feeling hungry because I did not eat breakfast this morning.
That's right. And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The more you practice, the fewer mistakes you will make. But if you wait for perfect grammar before speaking, you will never speak.
Another idea is to create small stories in your mind. For example, imagine you are at the airport. Think, I am checking in. I am giving my passport. The officer is asking me questions. I am walking to the gate. This kind of imagination helps you to train your brain for real-life situations.
Yes, imagination is a very powerful tool. You can imagine yourself in a restaurant, in an office, in a classroom, or even traveling abroad. Then, think in English about what you would say. This creates confidence and prepares your brain for real conversations.
I also suggest labeling things in English. For example, in your kitchen, you can put small notes with English words like cup, plate, spoon. When you see them every day, your brain remembers them in English.
And one more important point, consistency. You must practice a little every day. Even 10 minutes of thinking in English daily is more powerful than 2 hours of study once a week. Your brain learns better with daily practice.
Let me share a simple daily routine for training your brain. In the morning, think about your plan for the day in English. I will go to work. I will meet my friend. I will study English. During the day, describe your actions. I am writing an email. I am eating lunch. At night, review your day in English. Today I worked on a project. I talked with my colleague. I watched a movie.
That is an excellent method. It is like living in English all day. The more you connect your life with English, the faster you will start thinking in English naturally.
So, Altaf, if someone says, I cannot think in English, it is too hard, what advice would you give them?
I would say start small and don't give up. At first, your brain will resist, but if you keep practicing, slowly your brain will accept English as normal. Remember, children learn their first language by listening, repeating, and thinking daily. You can do the same with English.
That's very true. Thinking in English is not about talent, it is about habit. Anyone can do it with regular practice.
So, to summarize, we learned many methods today. Start with simple sentences about daily actions. Describe what you see, ask and answer questions in English, use imagination, listen and read without translating, label objects, and practice daily.
Yes. And the most important lesson is don't translate. Just think directly in English. The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
What we have learned in this video is that training your brain to think in English makes you speak faster, with confidence and without hesitation.
What we have learned in this video is that small daily practice, imagination, and consistency will help you to stop translating and start thinking directly in English.